done by these lovely ladies behind the counter. But we greet the customers as they come in. We try and find out what they're here for. They're here for cat, dog, we do get guinea pigs, sometimes we have the pigs and the occasional goats. So it's just finding out what they're looking for first. This desk right here, you'll notice it's covered with lovely little thank yous and stuff. We also have informational flyers up here. We have more over here as well, trying to give the public the information that they need. If they don't have that informational flyer, we will get it for them. And since I'm new to the area, I'm discovering things just like they are. So it's a learning opportunity for everybody. So as we go down the hallway here, we do have wet paint, so be careful if you lean against a wall. Yeah. This is our first cat room. We occasionally put more than one cat in here, and we have cats that have come in together. This has actually been the spotlight room. We've had cats that sit in here for a little bit, we'll put them in here, and that day they get adopted. So my closing words for them before I walk away in the morning is work it. So they work this window, and it just draws people in. In here we have our cat adoption room. I know the animals did.
If any of the radio stations show up, just walk up, just come on, just
I mean, it's still young.
There are plans.
So if you show up, just
Top ones because I'm not 20 feet tall.
just send it.
You might not have a problem, but I do. Alright, that way we can raise the it's a little bit higher. Use these elsewhere where we might need some more kennel space for cats. We are very fortunate to have some very dedicated cat volunteers that come in and really help kind of pinpoint the personality of the animals. The Malachi team, when they're here, they're also really good because they help receive cats every single day. I get to know them.
We're gonna be here.
They take
Yeah.
2 adoptions, so I'm very fortunate people come in and like, what's this one and this one? Oh, I know this one. So it's kind of cool for me and the rest of the intake team there to see that kind of full story. So they see them when they come in, they for a little bit, and then they get adopted. So, but again, we're trying to keep everything at eye level in here. So if you have toys, we encourage folks to play with the toys on the outside of the window, not inside the window. Most of the cats are going to sleep. Most cats eat about 2 to 20 hours a day. So when they come in here, it's a little bit boring for some people. I think that's one of the reasons why cats don't get that glossy review that dogs do, because they just stand back. So having the toys out here that people can kind of move outside the window encourages them to kind of interact a little bit more. So this is our cat adoption room. You come out here. Oh, sorry.
It's like everybody's running.
This room right here, for a while, it was kind of our, those of you who are Harry Potter fans, the room of requirements. Whatever you needed it to be. But we're really trying to dedicate this just to small animals, popular pets, so we don't have a lot of dogs and cats going in there. Scent is one thing that animals have over us, and if we're parading dogs and cats in there frequently, even though we clean it, there's still trace scents of that, and that's not really fair to a guinea pig who frightens very easily. So we have our small animal room. We have my cage set up right there. We don't have anybody in there. It stays that way. Just because the little guys don't really do very well here. So, but our good news is when they do come in, they get adopted really quickly. We don't have a lot of them, so that's a good thing. But this is another room where the staff really gets to know the animals because they pretty much work with them on a regular basis. So when we do have those folks come in, I do try and pinpoint this guinea pig. It really likes you. Why don't you go talk to them? Guinea pigs. We did have a moody rabbit, and one of the guys was working with it and just loved him, and so he was able to help facilitate that adoption, which is fantastic. So we're going to get ready to walk through dog adoptions. Like I said, they'll probably get really loud because normally this is their quiet downtime. So